Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we will delve into the world of Lean Six Sigma, a methodology designed to improve efficiency and reduce waste. We'll explore its relevance in the manufacturing industries and its increasing importance in maintenance activities. You'll learn about the Lean and Six Sigma methods, their key principles, and how these can be applied to your operations and maintenance teams. So if you're looking to boost your plant's performance and reduce unnecessary costs, stay tuned as we unpack these concepts. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful process designed to systematically eliminate waste and reduce variation. Over the past few decades, it's become clear that streamlining processes is the secret to unlocking the maximum efficiency of a plant. Especially in the manufacturing industries, being lean has been linked to effective inventory management. Since the 1980s, major manufacturing companies have shown an increasing trend in adopting lean practices. This trend has reinforced the need to focus on improving processes and has continued the pursuit for applying Lean Six Sigma practices. In the world of maintenance, the same concepts of efficiency are becoming more of a requirement than an option. The philosophy of continually improving processes by removing redundant steps while still consistently maintaining high standards is being recognized as a key driver of a plant's overall performance. Lean Six Sigma merges two concepts that work together to boost effectiveness and efficiency. Being lean aims to eliminate waste, while Six Sigma aims to reduce variations in processes. Now, let's talk about the lean method. It's estimated that maintenance activities can account for 15 to 70% of the total cost of production of a factory. That's a huge impact on the total spend, which provides a massive motivation to remove any non-value-adding part. Being lean is all about identifying and eliminating unnecessary steps of a process. Various practices that promote a lean system have been developed to provide a guide for process improvements. The key to lean maintenance is proactively identifying the causes of waste. Having a CMMS system that measures your biggest causes of waste is a great start for collecting insightful data. The time between failures of operation and the time it takes to repair equipment can be key areas to investigate. Moreover, proactive approaches to maintenance such as PM and PDM are shown to reduce unplanned downtime. Next, let's dive into the Six Sigma method. This is a framework designed to ensure that processes are created to consistently provide high-quality output. The 5 main phases of the method can be simplified as DMAIC. First, define the problems you want to address and the objectives you want to achieve. This process involves the identification of resources, benefits, and timelines. Second, measure your baseline metrics as a comparison for future progress. Agree on the methods to collect data accurately and consistently. Third, analyze your data to identify root causes. It's important to establish cause and effect relationships between incidents and root causes to get to the source of the problem. Fourth, improve the process by implementing solutions to the identified problems. This phase may include testing and prototyping to ensure that the root causes are identified accurately. Finally, control systems must be put in place to monitor the progress and effectiveness of implemented solutions. At the end of the day, Lean Six Sigma aims to remove useless steps from your processes and to provide consistent quality of service across tasks. This is a constant process that needs continuous effort. Keeping an eye on the 8 main kinds of waste, easily remembered as downtime, can keep you in check on how lean the plant is running. These 8 kinds of waste include defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. In conclusion, even though the philosophy behind Lean Six Sigma was developed for the manufacturing industries, its applications to maintenance are more relevant than ever. Maintenance activities are essential to a plant's overall performance, and Lean Six Sigma offers methods to perform maintenance activities with consistently high standards while reducing unnecessary costs. And that wraps up our discussion on Lean Six Sigma. We've delved into the key principles of Lean and Six Sigma methods, their importance in maintenance activities, and how they can help improve efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by subscribing to our channel. For more resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, continuous improvement is a journey, not a destination. So keep learning, keep improving, and stay tuned for more insightful videos.